In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Lovable AI project source code and work with it in Visual Studio Code. Whether you're an experienced developer or just starting out, this process is crucial for customizing and enhancing your AI project to suit your specific needs. So grab a seat and let's dive right in. First, we're kicking things off by opening Visual Studio Code on your computer. Visual Studio Code, commonly referred to as VS Code, is a powerful and highly flexible code editor used by developers around the world. It's known for its wide array of features, including its excellent support for multiple programming languages and extensions that enhance productivity. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to download and set it up so you can follow along with us today. Next, you'll want to import or open your exported project files within VS Code. As you might already know, when you've used the export feature in your AI project, you receive a package of files that make up the source code of your project. These files contain all the logic, design, and data configurations necessary to run and modify your AI application. So what you need to do now is navigate to the File menu in Visual Studio Code, select Open Folder, and then choose the folder where these exported files are located. This action imports all your project's files into the workspace, setting the stage for exploration and modification. Once you have your project open in VS Code, it's time to explore and edit it using the multitude of features that VS Code offers. You'll find the File Explorer on the left side showing you all the directories and files. Clicking through them, you can view and edit the code with syntax highlighting, which is incredibly helpful for spotting errors or simply understanding the logical flow of your application. If you need to search for specific components or functions, use the search feature, which allows you to swiftly find and replace code snippets. Don't forget about the integrated terminal that comes with VS Code. This will help you run commands and scripts without needing to leave the editor. After you've made your edits, it's essential to test the changes before deploying them. For this, you can utilize a local development server or any preview tools available to you. Running a development server allows you to see real-time feedback on how your changes are performing, and it makes spotting issues much easier. Simply navigate to the terminal and run any server scripts you have set up. This step is invaluable because it ensures that your modifications work smoothly and as intended without breaking any existing functionality. By the end of this process, you'll have not only exported your Lovable AI project source code, but also effectively managed and modified it using the robust tools within Visual Studio Code.